The sculptures filled the Chandela art form with the resilient vigor and breadth of life. And the keyword is to elucidate. See, the question is on Chandela art form, and to be very specific, the question is on the sculptures. That is one of the Chandela art form. So the question is asking, how these sculptures were related to these two properties, that is resilient vigor and breadth of life. So first of all, let's understand the meaning of these two terms. See, resilient vigor. See, if you are very good in Hindi, so you can read Hindi words also. So what does the question says? जीवन की व्यापकता और लचकदार ओज से भर दिया. So these are the two things. If you are very good in Hindi, you can understand. So let's understand the meaning of resilient vigor. So resilient vigor means something dynamic or something full of life. So even if these sculptures were made of stone, you can easily say that they are looking lively, something full of life. Okay, or you can say about energetic. They have energy. So these all things, or strength, they look very strong. So these things you can relate with resilient vigor. Now the second thing, that is the breadth of life. So breadth of life means all the usual activities which you do in your life. So for example, dancing, music, other routine activities. For example, temples or religious gatherings, or the usual activity of makeup and all these things. So these things are related to breadth of life. Means seeing the activities, you can say, okay, these activities are performed on daily basis. So here I will add the grooming or makeup things also. So now you have to look for the examples and points in Chandela sculptures which can define these two things. Because see, our directive is to elucidate. So it's not like you will just write 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the features of Chandela sculptures. No, you have to write these features and you will explain that how these features are going to explain the resilient vigor and breadth of life.